Morning YouTube, Scott Litt here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. It's 7:51. I've got a job here in about 20 minutes or so. But we've got a stacked day. We've got a few residential jobs and then we're finishing up some apartments. But I'm gonna take you on my part of the day, obviously, to do some house washes and then to do some estimates. And we just placed our largest bid to date. It's a $92,000 job at a large stadium here in Birmingham. Do I think we'll get it? Probably not, but that's what it's worth. So it would take us a full month to do this job. It would take our full attention. So that number makes the most sense for me and my team. And we're gonna have to hire some guys to come help us. So our profits would be about the same, I feel like, if we focused on that for a month. We're gonna be married to it, so no other jobs will be going on. But anyways, giving you guys a good look at the rig. I just installed this new Remco 12-volt pump on here, and that thing slings it, man. But I'll be downstreaming today on the house washes. These are both repeat clients who call us every year. So I'll see you guys out there. I'm at the first job. I just hooked up my water. Got my tape. I'm about to go around and do my property protection. This should be good water pressure. Let's turn it on and see. Oh yeah. Let my water fill up. I always drop my water at the end of the week. That way, if I'm driving on the weekend, I'm not carrying a bunch of water for no reason. Ooh, these steps are not in good shape. I will be taking pictures of that. I always like to do a walk around when I first get here, just to make sure there's nothing that I'm gonna hit with water that's gonna destroy it. There's some really bad mold right there. I'll probably start on this far end anyways. And work my way back to the truck. Very straightforward job. I've been here a couple times, but it's never been this dirty. I may have to pump spray a couple spots, but I'm gonna be very careful on those steps because they are in bad shape. And I'll probably go ahead and move all that furniture down. Anyways, I'm gonna go around and cover up any outlets I see, and then I'll pull my high pressure hose, and by that time I should have enough water to get started, and we'll start downstreaming. All right. Ooh, that's just from the hoses. Start with the dirty side first. I'm getting soap already. That's good. Already changing quite a bit. That's good. Love getting those immediate changes. Using the 1.8 injector, which has been my go-to for a while now. I've got to be careful at the front door. There's a nice stain on it, so we don't want to mess that up. It's overcast, so I can soap a little bit more of the house than I normally do. I'm just gonna bypass the porch for right now. I might pump spray in there a little bit just because of that door. That door makes me nervous. All right, guys, I'm at the second property. I didn't get a whole lot of footage of the first one because the customer came out and he's a buddy of mine and wanted to talk the whole time. So felt kind of awkward videoing and trying to talk to him. But anyways, about to wash this side, pretty much the whole house but the back, which I'm thankful for because the back is going to be really hard to get to. We've cleaned this property, I don't know, this will probably be my 5th time out here. They're gonna do some repainting, so they just wanted to get it cleaned up first, see what's dirty and whatnot. I actually upsold the roof. We're gonna come back in September or October to soft wash the roof. And as you can tell, there's gonna be 2 of us here due to all the vegetation. So we'll have one person just saturating all this. It's gonna rain today at some point, so really not too worried about the house wash mix. But when we clean that roof, we're going to be very careful. But anyways, fairly green back here. This is going to be a fun one. My hoses are gonna get hung up on everything. But anyways, I'm about to snap some pictures and then we'll get started. All right, guys, we're cranked up. Got my hoses pulled over there. This is just water. I'm just pre-wetting everything because this customer is very paranoid about everything. So, I'm just gonna pre-wet it. There are some hydrangeas over there. Hydrangeas seem to be the most sensitive to SH, but they're all the way over here, so I'm not worried about it. Go ahead and pre-wet these windows. Weapon of choice today. One thing you have to keep in mind, guys, are these stained doors. Luckily there's no mold in here. I do have a tarp, but I'm just gonna rinse this area with water since there's no mold. There's no sense in even spraying SH over here. But anyways, I'm gonna shimmy through there, turn my SH on, and we're gonna start soaping this side first. All right, guys, we got soap. All right, guys, everything's been soaked. Going around giving it a good rinse now. You've got to overcompensate on windows. So you don't have to come back and there you go. Hose getting caught. Real live stuff right here, guys. Fun, real fun. But I always pre-wet the windows, soap them, and over rinse them. But I've already rinsed all the way over here. everything's looking good, man. We're gonna be finished up here in the next 20 to 30 minutes.